Hello students, today we will learn about arithmetic progression of class 10 chapter 5. At first, what is arithmetic progression? Arithmetic progression is a sequence of numbers which arranged in a definite rule, and the difference between any of its number and its preceding number is always constant. And in other way also you can say the numbers arranged in a definite rule or a definite order, then the difference of any two numbers, any two consecutive numbers are always constant. Say 2, 5, 8, 11, ... So it is a sequence of numbers. 5 minus 2 is 3, 8 minus 5 is 3, and 11 minus 8 is 3. Always the difference between a number and the preceding number is same, 3, 3, 3. So this is called a sequence of number, and a sequence of number having a common difference is called arithmetic progression. And this first term of an arithmetic progression is called first term. First term of this arithmetic progression is 2, and the first term is denoted as A, and the difference between any two consecutive numbers is called common difference of the progression. Common difference denoted as D. So D, how can you find out the common difference of any arithmetic progression? You have to subtract the first one from the later one. Any term you have to subtract from the later term. That means 5 minus 2, you cannot subtract 2 minus 5. Always the first term, any term, and the later term. Difference between any term and the later term, previous term and the later term, from the later term, then you will get the common difference. And the common difference will always be equal in an arithmetic progression. See, this is an arithmetic progression, increasing numbers are there, increasing. If the arithmetic progression, increasing arithmetic progression, difference, common difference will be always positive. And see, another arithmetic progression I am writing, say minus 3, minus 1, 1, ... like this. Now see what is the common difference. Minus 1, minus 3, minus 1, minus 3. It is minus 1 plus 3, that means 2. Then 1 minus minus 1, 1 minus minus plus 1, 2. That means always the difference between any two consecutive terms are equal. So arithmetic progression is a list of numbers having a common difference between any two consecutive terms. Now see, this is an arithmetic progression, and the general form of an arithmetic progression will be like this. If first term is A and common difference is D, then the general form of a arithmetic progression will be A plus D, A plus 2D, a plus 3d dot 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 like this. This is the general form of an arithmetic progression. Now the general term of an arithmetic progression means nth term of an AP. How to find nth term of AP? Means the general term of an AP. General term of an AP is denoted as an, or you can write Tn also, is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula to find the general term of an AP. Means nth term of an AP. Here a is first term, d is common difference, and n is number of terms of that AP. So this is the formula which we will use to find general term of an AP or nth term of an AP. And there is a formula also to find the common difference of an AP. So common difference means d is equal to Tn minus Tn minus 1. This is the formula to find the common difference of an AP. Means any term, difference between any term and its preceding term. So Tn, say if Tn is 5, then minus Tn minus 1 is 4. So any term and its preceding term, the difference between any term and its preceding term is called common difference, and using this formula also you can find out the common difference. So nth term of an AP means the general term of an AP. Formula is Tn equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. See 1, 3, 5, 7 dot 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 dot. This is, are this number an AP in an AP? See here, 3 minus 1 is 2, 5 minus 3 is 2, 7 minus 5 is 2. That means 1, 3, 5, 7 dot dot dot. This sequence of numbers is an AP because their common differences are same. Now if you are asked to find here 15th term of this AP, 15th term of this AP, what will be the 15th term of this AP? First term, second term, third term, fourth term, dot 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 dot. We don't know which one is the 15th term. Then you have to find out the 15th term of this AP. So we can use this formula, general term of this AP. Here a is equal to, from this AP we know a is equal to 1, first term is 1, and the common difference is 2. That means d equal to 2. Therefore T15, 15th term of this AP will be 1 plus n minus 1 means 15 minus 1 into d. D means 2. So 1 plus 15 minus 1 is 14 into 2. Then 1 plus 14 into 2, 28. Then 28 plus 1 is 29. That means sorry, 15th term of this AP is 29. So like this, using this formula you can find out any term of an AP. Now see this question. Find the value of p for which the numbers 2p minus 1, 3p plus 1 and 11 are in AP. So here in the question it is given these three numbers are in AP, and we know if the numbers are in AP, the common difference will be equal. That means here you can write 2p minus 1. If you subtract 3p plus 1 minus 2p minus 1 will be equal to 11 minus 3p plus 1. Since the numbers are in FE, that's why this one minus this one and this one minus this one will be equal. That means the common differences will be equal. Now solve this equation and find out p. At first remove the bracket. 3p plus 1 minus 2p minus minus plus 1 equal to 11 minus. So you can add 11 and plus 1 is 12 minus 3p. Now 3p minus 2p is only p, then plus 1 plus 1 is 2 equal to 12 minus 3p. Now you shift this 3p from right side to left side. P plus 3p equal to this one 12 minus 2. Then p plus 3p plus p is 4p equal to 12 minus 2 is 10. So implies p equal to 10 by 4. That means if you cut with 2, then 5 by 2. So the value of p is 5 by 2. So like this you can find out the value of p if the numbers are in AP, and hence find the value of the numbers. Hence find the numbers. Now you can put the values of p here, then you can find out the numbers also. Sum of the n terms of an AP. How to find sum of n terms of an AP? As for example, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus ... Here see the sequence of these numbers are in AP, because 3 minus 1 is 2, 5 minus 3 is 2, 7 minus 5 is 2. The common differences are same. That's why the numbers are in AP. Now sum of n terms of an AP. There is a formula to find sum of n terms of an AP. If first term is a Sn means sum of n terms is equal to n by 2 twice a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula to find out sum of n terms of an AP, where a is the first term, d is the common difference, and n is number of terms. If you know n, a and d, then you can find out easily sum of n terms of that AP using this formula. See here we are trying to find out sum of 15 terms, sum of 15th term of an AP. Sum of 15 terms of this AP. How you will find out sum of 15 terms of this AP? Say here common difference, here first term is 1, that means a equal to 1 and d equal to 2, and number of terms n we don't know, so the formula sum of 15 term will be here. Since we are going to find out sum of 15 terms, in place of n we will write 15. So here you can write again as 15. This is the formula of Sn, as 15. So 15 by 2, a is 1 plus n is 15, 15 minus 1, and d is 2. Now you calculate 15 by 2, 2 under 2 plus 15 minus 1 is 14 into 2. Then 15 by 2, 14 into 2, 28 plus 2, 30. That means this one into 30, 2 15 are 30, and 15 into 15 is 225. So like this you can find out n sum of n term of an AP using this formula. Another formula is there to find sum of n terms, which is Sn equal to n by 2 into a plus l. If you know the last term, L means here where A is equal to first term, L equal to last term, and n equal to number of terms. So Sn equal to n by 2 into a plus l, where A is equal to first term, L equal to last term, and n equal to number of terms. If you know the last term, first term, and number of terms, you can find out sum of n terms using this formula. If last term is given, last term is known, then you can use this formula, except instead of using this formula, you can use this formula also, no problem. See this question. Find the sum of 9753 to 14 terms. That means you have to find out sum of 14 terms of this AP. Here, how to solve this one? Here, A equal to 9. That means first term is 9. D equal to 7 minus 9 means minus 2, and n equal to 14, because we are going to find sum of 14 terms. That's why n equal to 14. Therefore, then Sn equal to n by 2 twice a plus n minus 1 into D. So we are going to find sum of 14 terms. That means in place of n you have to put 14. So S14 equal to 14 by 2, then 2 into the value of A is 9 plus n is 14, 14 minus 1, and the value of B is minus 2. So 14 by 2 is 7, 2 9s are 18, plus 14 minus 1 is 13 into minus 2. So 7 into 18 plus, no, plus into minus, it will be minus 13 2s are 26. So 7 into 26 minus 18 is minus 8. So 8 7 are 56 minus 56. This is the sum of 14 terms of this AP. See this question, how many terms are there in the AP 6, 10, 14, 18, dot, 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 174. So here first term is 6, common difference will be 10 minus 6, 4, 14 minus 10, 4, that means common difference is 4, and the last term is given 174. Here last term is given, but in between many terms are there. We don't know how many terms are there, that one you have to find out. So we are going to find how many terms are there in this AP. So the solution will be like this. Here A is equal to 6, D is equal to 10 minus 6, it is 4. Therefore, Tn formula, you try to find out Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So here A is 6 plus n we don't know, minus 1, and D is 4. So it is 6 plus 4n minus 4 equal to 6 plus minus 4 is 2 plus 4n. This is the nth term of this AP, and nth term will be the last term of this AP. So therefore 2 plus 4n equal to 174. This last term is the nth term. So n term is 2 plus 4n, that means 2 plus 4n will be equal to 174. Now from this equation you find out the value of n. So 4n equal to 2, you shift that side, 174 minus 2, then 4n equal to 172, then n equal to 172 divided by 4. 4 4s are 16, 4 3s are 12, that means n equal to 43. So how many terms are there? 43 terms are there. So like this you can find out number of terms of an AP. Say another question, determine k so that 3k minus 2, 4k minus 6 and k plus 2 are 3 consecutive terms of an AP. So the solution will be like this. Since these are 3 consecutive terms of an AP, therefore second one minus first one and third one minus second one, that means the common difference will be equal. So we can write 4k minus 6 minus 3k minus 2 equal to. Ideas about arithmetic progression, how to find n term, what is arithmetic progression, which one is first term, which one is common difference, how to find common difference, how to find sum of n terms of an AP, the formulas and some problems also we have solved here. Thank you.